Before my camera dies, I am back home. So I did make a video about doing the rear drum brake kit, but I don't think any of you guys really want to see that, so here's just a little snippet. A little bit of my branding onto it, you know what I'm saying?
Raise this down, make sure it's all clean stuff.
Oh, that is hard, bro. Oh boy. If you ever have drum brakes, get rid of your drum brakes, go disc, cause this pain in the ass. But yeah, that's a snippet. It's still in the progress of me doing it. Well, guys, this is what I got for the SI. Nothing big, just a little shift knob. Basically, it was on Amazon. I just needed a new one because I hated the long shifter. I like the ball shifters, so that's what I got. This is the Duel JDM Gun Black shift knob. It's basically just a ball. It's the gunmetal ball right here. It is weighted, so it is kind of heavy, and yeah, just a black one. And then they also have the adapters for it that you could put on your thing. Let's go out to the car and put this on because I like this a lot more than the Mishimoto one. I'm just gonna swap that into the EK. So let's get to it.
I'm gonna go to the SI. Batteries even dead.
So for this one, this has the Mishimoto shift knob, and for me, I just don't like it anymore. I mean, it looks cool when you go through the gears. It's pretty easy because it's like up here, but I think I want to go back to the ball because the ball one looks a little bit better in my opinion. I wanted to get the Mugen one, but the Mugen one's like $180 and I don't want to spend that because that could be for the track car, which is over there. But yeah, let's take this off. Oh yeah, just like churning butter, guys. Got that off. This is pretty heavy as well, so I think it'll do me more justice in putting this into the EJ8. It's gonna look a lot better too, so. And then, so now, oh, wow. This one, a little bit lighter, but still pretty heavy. We're gonna check out which of the adapters fit. And if you don't know, the adapter for the Civics or Hondas or Acuras are, I believe, 10 by 1.5. So one of these will fit. Definitely. Wow, dude. Fudge. One's supposed to fit. Yep. This one fits perfectly. And then put this ball on top because this one will not fit. So we'll just put this like that. Yep. So there it is. Just the ball. Feels a lot more. It definitely feels a lot shorter with the short shifter because, hey bro, people need to stop texting me because with this one it elongates the throw. So with a shorter ball like this, oh man, see, now it looks dirty. Whew. Look at all that. Oh, look how nice that is, guys. Yeah, with this it shortens up the throw a lot actually. So you know, if I want to race some Subarus or other Civics, whatever, yeah, I'll be able to use this. It's so much shorter. Oh my god. Now let's go to the EK and just swap out the crappy shifter that's in there and then put this Mishimoto one in. Take a good look because these wheels are gonna be gone by today. I'm actually gonna go to Dylan's house to pick up some rollers after this so we can get that started. Also guys, I have a lot of stuff like getting ready to be put into the EK. Just letting you guys know, like this project for the track is not gonna be done in a short amount of time. Like you guys are gonna have a lot of videos with this car, and like I said before, if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. I know I'm not getting as much views. I know for a fact a lot of my subscribers are SI subscribers or 8th gen Civic owners, and I don't get a lot of views on the EK stuff, but hopefully throughout time you guys are gonna learn to accept that I'm gonna be tracking this car, so you're gonna see a lot more of this car. I'm still going to be buying a lot more stuff for the SI, just not right now because my main focus is getting this ready for the track. So yeah, just know that the SI will have a complete makeover in 2018. Hopefully I can get it done a lot sooner than I was anticipating. So yeah, the faster I get done with this EK and being able to track it, the sooner I'll be able to start modding the SI. So ooh, dang, with this new racing seat, bro, it's a little bit harder to get in. I don't want to pull up the e-brake right now because it doesn't really work because the rear brakes are not really locked. So I'll take this off. This was from Amazon as well. I got it like a long time ago. It used to be black, now it's damn near like copper. So if anybody wants this for the Civic or any Acura or anything like that, this is like damn near a bronze now. And it's red in there. Well, it doesn't really not show the true color, but yeah, it's red. And then like this part where it hit the sun is like brown. This part's like black still. Oh, it's like a multicolor shift knob. So now we put this Mishimoto one in. It's literally the same thread pitch. Yeah, this is a lot longer too, so I'll have an even better throw, I believe. So that's the new Mishimoto shift knob. But yeah, so like right now none of the brakes really work on this car. The fronts are still like still in progress of me like actually driving it. The rears are not even connected, so I have to keep it in gear for it to not move. It is on jack stands right now, so we're gonna get that all situated. See right there. Yeah, this whole car is like literally a project in the making. Usually I try to get stuff like done as soon as possible, but with me moving out for college again, and with me like going all over the place, I'll be living in Richmond now, so the cars will stay in Antioch. Well, the SI will be my daily, so I'll be dailying that around to school. But the EJ8 or the EK will stay in Antioch because I have no room to put that in, and I do not want to be working at it at my apartment. So I'll still be around here in Antioch a lot. I'll be coming back and forth like practically all the time just so I can get this done. And let's go to Dylan's house, pick up the rollers, and then we can put it on the SI and make it look really ugly. Alright guys, so I just arrived at Dylan's house. We're gonna get the wheels, then I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up a lamp from my new apartment. Then I'm gonna go to Xfinity. Well, I'm gonna go to Xfinity, set up our internet because your boy needs some internet to be able to upload on YouTube and play some games. And then we'll get back to the SI and make it look really ugly. Alright guys, let's get going. Alright guys, your boy's back home. Daylight, as you can see, is like running out because obviously it took forever to go finish Xfinity. Probably won't film this, but I will be switching the wheels right now. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I'll put some light on it. Yeah, so this is how the car's sitting right now. It looks really ugly. But yeah, these right here are the AP1 wheels from an S2000 that Dylan had. He didn't have a S2000, but he had wheels for it. But yeah, these are gonna be my rollers for now. I swear I'm not gonna drive like this. I'm just gonna keep it on there until my new tires come in for my HFP wheels, which I will show you guys when they come in, and then we'll also install it because Dylan has a tire mounter in his garage, right? So he has a tire mounter and a tire balancer, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, now basically just gonna pack up, get ready to move out to Richmond. Alright guys, today is the day. We're selling the RPF1's. I'm about to meet up with a guy right now coming from Fremont. And yeah, RPFs are gonna be sold and we're going back to stock wheels on Monday. So it's a bittersweet moment. I love the RPF1's. I feel like I'll get them again later on down the road if I need like track wheels, but as of right now I don't really need them. I mean, like, I love the look. I just want to be a little bit more practical and functional because I will be daily driving the car. I'm just trying to save a little bit more money now because I don't really need them and I already have HFP wheels, so I'll just stick out with those for now until I decide that I want to get new wheels. And when the time comes that I do get new wheels, I'm hoping to get some 3-piece wheels. So we're gonna meet up with the dude right now, and RPF1's are going bye-bye. So hope you guys liked today's vlog. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be uploading a lot more. So until next time, catch you guys later. And remember to always build humbly. Peace.